and the report is given on the 100-gram quantity, so it's a percentage that's given. So whatever you see in the report, that's the percentage of protein that they found, right? So here's what they found. We are going to review Impact Whey that I bought from Amazon. Now, I cannot tell the quality that you buy from the website of MYPROTEIN. I'm pretty sure that quality is going to be same or better. It should be same actually. So you can buy it from anywhere you wish to. This is what I bought from Amazon, 250 gram. The reason I bought, I told that in the unboxing video, is because it takes a lot of time for it to come from MYPROTEIN UK, whatever the hell they ship the way. I want it fast, so I bought it from Amazon. It's authentic, and I did some lab tests. I'm going to talk about that. Alright, so let's go through the process that you do in our channel of reviewing any product. We're just going to skip the mixability and taste test because we did that in the unboxing video. If you want to check it out, go check it out, please. Alright, and get into it. It is a concentrate product. It's a pure concentrate product. There's no isolate, there's no blend, there's nothing. Is it bad? No, not at all. If you saw one of my recent videos, you might understand that concentrate is not as bad as some companies, some people, some influencers make a propaganda about it. It's just a normal, whey protein. Sometimes it comes cheaper and you should afford it if you can, alright? So there's nothing wrong with that. When it comes to the quantity of protein that you see in Impact Whey, that is this one, the new package is different obviously. What they say, and it's a really good thing that they say this, they say they use 80% dry basis of dry matter of whey protein, that is of 80% concentration, and that comes to 75% as is. That's a fantastic statement. I mean, I don't know if any other company does that. That's absolutely fantastic. You gotta read the label properly. I'm gonna try to show where to read. If you have one, you can check it out. So what you gotta do, you gotta check out this section where it says 80% dry matter, and then in the nutritional info, you gotta go down and somewhere in here, and you can see that it says 75%, right? So that's how you can decide that this company is coming up pretty clear about how things are and what you're getting, and it should be done. So there's a 5% gap. They could have advertised it as 80% protein, but they're not doing it. They're saying it's 75% as is protein. It uses 80% dry matter of protein powder, so which is a fantastic thing, right? When it comes to the value for money, this is what I don't like about it, and I tried to calculate the price based on the 2.5 kg, which is a pretty hefty amount of protein that you're buying, and it comes to 56 rupees per scoop, and there are offers that go on either on the website of MYPROTEIN or Amazon on lightning deal and stuff like that. You can get less, but I don't think it can go down too much. I'm pretty sure there are many international brands also sometimes isolates or something that come at this price range or less. So with the concentrate protein, I'd say I was expecting somewhere around 44, 45 bucks. Being a brand that's imported to India, 45 bucks would have been fine, but I think it's 11 bucks more. So if you get it in a deal that reduces the price to that range, I'd say that is fantastic, all right? Okay, let's get down with the microscopic test, where we're going to use like tiny bit of stuff in here, as you can see, that much. Yep, it's more than enough. Keep it aside. Alright, let's see. Are we recording? Yes, we're recording. So it's fine texture, there's nothing going on in there, just the cocoa powder or chocolate flavoring, things moving around. Really fine texture here we are seeing. Just a sharp whey protein particles out there. Yeah, nothing much, there's no binder or anything that we found. Yeah, I think we're good. Alright, now comes the time of telling you about what the lab report says, and I'm going to put the picture of the lab report up here, and there will be a link of it in Google Drive so you can go pick it up and see the details. So how the lab report is done, first let me explain that. So what they have in the label is that they are having 75% of protein on the as-is basis using an 80% dry matter. So if that's what they say, I was expecting that the lab test should come somewhere around 74-73% because there would always be a deviation, sometimes more. So how the lab test is done is that they take a huge amount of protein from me. So it's a 250 gram pouch, they took 140 grams from me. And they took it in insulated and sterilized pouch, and then they do the test. It takes some amount of time. And the report is given on the 100 gram quantity, so it's a percentage that's given. So whatever you see in the report, that's the percentage of protein that they found, right? So here's what they found. They found 75.54% on as-is basis, and they say 75%. This is outstanding. I mean, I know that people used to love this brand, and a lot of people told me to review it, and I did it, that's why. But I think this is outstanding. This proves a few things, right? So first thing is, it's a fantastic brand that's bringing transparency. At the same time, they're sticking to their word, right? 75.54. Forget it. I mean, this is outstanding. The other thing is that it's available on Amazon. If you buy from Amazon, that's where I bought it from. Still, it's coming good. That means it's proper, right? You buy it from their website, that's also definitely proper. So why I'm saying that is that if you're in a hurry, you're gonna buy small pouches, or you want things fast, you can go for Amazon. If you want to wait a bit, you can go for their website and get those discount codes also, because a lot of people promote that. I don't do that. So you can get their discount code and then get some discount on their website as well. So I think this is one amazing thing that came out. I mean, we did review of Indian brands, and some of the Indian brands came out really close, but this is like outstanding, and I love the transparency. I love that they're sticking to their word. So let's talk about the cons of this product that I don't like, and I'm going to talk about it. Just one point that I found is that the price. I mean, as I told you, it should be less. I mean, if you get it in an offer and it reduces, that's fine. Otherwise, I didn't find anything wrong with that. The great things that I found about this product, which is the pros, of course, are two things. One, transparency. Nobody is doing this, all right? They're not saying how much dry matter they're using, how much as-is you're expecting. And the other thing is that sticking to your word, where the lab test comes damn close to the actual test. So this is amazing. So I think, yeah, that's a big pro for this company. Now, should I recommend or not? Of course, I don't do recommendation. So this is how I say. If I were not doing reviewing, I mean, if I were not reviewing products, bought different brands and stuff, I definitely buy this thing. This is, I mean, there's no bloating, there's no gas. It's such a smooth thing that I feel it's more like isolate. It's like really smooth stuff and good product, all right? And the lab test kind of confirms that, although it doesn't confirm amino spiking and stuff, because I mean, I think amino spiking is overhyped, all right? It's not that easy to do. It's not a smart move for companies to do. But forget about that, because we can't even test that. That's $25,000 to test. As consumers, we can't do that, I guess. So I definitely bought it. If I were not reviewing, I would bought bigger pouches to reduce the cost as well. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked it. And if you did, do share the video, subscribe to my channel, like it. And if you want to buy it, you can of course use the MYPROTEIN website, but you can also use the Amazon link if that's not too much problem for you, because that's going to help the channel. Alright, so thanks a lot for your time, and have an awesome life, folks. Ciao.